Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this comic here. And pretty much what this is a brand new product from the Dreo brand. So pretty much what this is a 2-in-1 smart air purifier tower fan that you guys can use. So this one is from the brand called Dreo. So if you guys seen my previous video, you guys know that they make a lot of high quality products from tower fans, heater, and so much more. So this is a 2-in-1, like I mentioned, as a tower fan and an air purifier option. And it's very cool how it actually has the option available, so that we can control it manually or the app, and it can purify your ear at the same time while help you guys, giving you guys that fan speed option. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it, which is pretty big if you can see. One right now is open up and show you guys what the inside looks like here first. So let's bring this down and open up from the top. Pretty sure this is going to be another high quality product because they never really disappoint for their products. It's always so high quality and looks so futuristic when you guys look at the products. But you see how when you guys first open it, it's pretty big and it's well protected inside. You can see inside here. So let's take out this section here. Let's put this on one side here for now. And once you guys open it, here's what the inside looks like. So I actually had the opportunity to take a look at this at CES when they had this available. So I was actually very curious about this when I saw it. But let's take a look and see what's on here first. So let's take off the actual product. The product itself is actually pretty big. Let's put this down on the ground here. And let's move the box to one side for now. Let's flip it upside down because I think there's something at the bottom here. So there's a protection layer on here when you guys first get it. And you can see how the product is all well packaged and everything when you guys first get it. So let's take off all the wrapping on here first. So the very first thing here, when you guys take out the wrapping, they do provide guys like the user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And they do provide remote control. So I'm gonna take this out first. So here's the user manual to teach you guys how to set up and use it. And then right here, we do have the remote control. And like I mentioned, you guys are more than welcome to use the remote control on here, or you guys can also use the app. But if you guys do take out the remote control, here is what it looks like. So there's power button, plus and minus, wind speed option, mode option, timer option, and oscillating option for you guys to use. Let's continue taking out all the wrapping on here first. Take out the protection layer here, and then one on top, and then the cable in the bottom here. So there's the cable. And once you guys take it out, here is what the product looks like. The way how they designed it actually looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like one of those portable patio heater that you guys normally would see when you guys go to a restaurant, which is really cool design. But here we do have the fan option. I believe the bottom part here is the air purifier, you can see. And you probably have to take off the tape here on the bottom as well, probably to open it up. If you guys want to take out the filter inside from what I understand. So there's tape on both sides here. And they do have this little warning in the back to let you guys know to peel off the plastic bag inside first. And that's probably for the filter inside. So let's open this up in the back. And then inside here, we do have the filter that you guys need to take out. So you can see how when you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like inside. It's a brand new filter that has like the HEPA filter and I think like the advanced carbon filter as well. So if you guys just open this up, once you guys open it, here's what the inside looks like. So we do have the advanced carbon filter here and we do have the HEPA filter inside. So once you guys take it out, you can put it back inside right here. And I just love how they do have the little tab right here for easy access for you guys to pull it out when you guys need to. But once you guys are done, put this back on. And once you guys clip it on, then you guys are pretty much all set to start using it. So what I'm doing now is to bring the camera closer to show you guys what it actually looks like from up close when you guys do use it. So let's plug it in and turn it on and show you guys what's on here. All right, so once you guys plug it in and turn it on, press on the power button here. And here's what the screen looks like. And also here as well. So immediately once you guys turn it on, you guys can hear how the speed does turn on. And you guys can feel free to increase and lower the speed on here when you guys press on this button here. So the lowest is 1 and the highest is 12. You guys can press right here. If you guys want to use natural mode on here, auto mode, and just natural option, we guys use it on here. If you guys press on right here for 5 seconds, that's how you guys connect on Wi-Fi. If you guys press on it one time, that will activate the oscillating option on here and it'll turn left and right. If you guys can see how it turns left and right on here, which is pretty cool. And it does give you guys a really good coverage on here and see how when it turns left and right on here. That way it can give you guys a pretty good full room coverage when you guys do that. And when you guys want to stop, just press stop right here to stop it. And what's really cool is that when you guys do press on this button here, it'll let you guys change the different angle when you guys do that. So whether if you guys wanted it to be 120, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, or 90 degrees, you guys can change the different angles when you guys use that oscillating option. And then here we got the time option, so you guys can feel free to increase and lower the time anywhere from 0 all the way up to 24. So if you guys want to use the timer option, feel free to do that as well. if you guys press on the M button here on top, you then change it from sleep mode to no fan option. That way it only works as the air purifier option when you guys use that. So I think that's what this button is for, maybe for you guys to increase the different intensity level for the air purifying option. You can see how it's increasing on here when you guys press on it. Either on auto, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And if you guys press right here, it changes back to fan only option. Or it's actually on fan and the air purifier option, but you have to change the speed for what you guys want to use. So there's like the auto mode, sleep mode, no fan option, and only fan option here. If you guys press on info, that's what I show you guys on here. So I show you guys like the air quality level when you guys do use that. And that's probably what this color is for when you guys do use that, or this color here. So if it's blue, that means the air quality is good. But if you guys see a different color, that it means the air quality is not as good. And they show you guys the filter life on here, or the filter percentage, which is brand new. Show you the degree of the room here, 71 degrees. And the speed on here as well. So that's everything that's on the top part right here in terms of what you guys do get. Here is the fan option here. Right here in the bottom, they do have this very cool design. And then the bottom part right here is the air purifying option. So everything pretty much gets sucked up in the bottom and it gets blown on the top right here for the clean air to come out from the top, which is really cool. And just to show you guys the back part really quick, you guys turn around to the back. This back part right here, you guys can actually use as a handle to carry around really easily. And probably all of the dust will be collected on the back part here. And the bottom part right here, they do have the little handle for you guys to pull it out. For you guys to take out the filter to replace it if you guys do need to. And that's what the inside looks like. So when you guys are done, just push back in, close it back up. Just like that. So pretty cool how they do have the option for you guys to control the fan only option or the air purifying option on here. Or you can use both of them at the same time. So now that we show you guys what it actually looks like on here in terms of what you guys do get for this unit, let me connect on the app and show you guys what the app looks like as well. So if you guys do go on the app right here, so once you guys click on add device, you can see how I found the device immediately on here and you guys connect it via Wi-Fi. So they mentioned how you guys can press and hold the button on top right here for 5 seconds. And start counting down and see. Once it does that, you can see how the little Wi-Fi logo that pops on in the front. And then as you guys are connected onto the Wi-Fi on here, so let's do that first. So now it's connecting on the Wi-Fi, which will probably just take a few seconds. You can see how fast it's connected on here, and the top bar right there show you guys how you do have the option to use Alexa as well, because you guys can use the voice control. So right now, let me rename it to something else. Let's name it Penny. I think that's one name that I haven't used yet. So once you guys do rename it, here is what the app looks like. So everything that you guys saw earlier on here, you guys control on here. Shows the air quality, the temperature, show you guys the filter life. You guys can change the different mode on here. If you guys want auto, level 1, level 2, level 3 for the air purify option. Increase the speed on here to 12 for the fan option. If you guys want normal mode, auto mode, sleep mode, you guys can change all that on here really easily. You guys can turn on and off very easy as well. This is how you guys turn it on and off. And like I mentioned, you can use the voice control. So if you guys want to turn it off using the voice control, it should work. So let's give it a try. Alexa, turn off Penny. Turns off. Alexa, turn on Penny. Alexa, change speed of Penny to 2. And so how easy it is for you to use it on here. And you guys can even set the timer option on here if you guys want to on here as well. And there's just so many different features on here that very high quality for what you do get for the Dreo products. And if you guys want to share this device with your family or friends, you do have the option to do so on here as well on the app on your setting page. Just press right here to change it and add your other family members for access, for easy access. And that's pretty much everything that's on this unit here. So what I'm doing right now is do a quick test on here to show you guys how well the air purifier option works on here. Probably by lighting up like some candles or something, just like how I normally do from other tests. All right, so here's my little candle on here. We're gonna create some smoke on here and see how it does work when you guys do that. And we're gonna change everything to auto mode on here first. So auto mode there and auto mode for the air purifier option. So now let's give it a try. Let's create some smoke on here and see how it does work. All right. So there's some smoke there. Let's see if it does anything for that first. So you can see how it changed the light on here immediately already. It changed from blue to all the way to red already. And if you guys press right here, it will show you guys how it's bad air quality when you guys do use that. So depending on the air quality, if it's like really, really bad, it will kick in the auto mode automatically on here and it helps you guys bring back down. You can see how the numbers dropping back down. So for the air purifier option on here, it definitely does work and it works pretty well to help you guys clean up the air really quickly. Obviously, depending on how much smoke is in the air, some of them will perform better than others, but you can see how the color on here does change. Red means it's really bad, yellow or green means it's decent, and then if it goes back to blue, then the air quality is good. But the number on here dropping back down pretty quickly, back to the blue color, you can see. And it slowly is still working to help you guys make sure the air quality is clean after creating some smoke on here when you guys do that. And one thing that I do want to mention for this product so far, just by testing out, if you guys do increase the fan speed on here to the max level on here, it's actually pretty amazing. I have a lot of Dyson air purifier fans options, so you guys will probably see my other videos so you guys know that I am a big fan of Dyson products. But because they came out with this product on here and I just tried it out already using the fan only option on here, the fan speed option on here is so powerful to the point that I think the fan on here is even more powerful than the Dyson one. But the thing about Dreo, if you guys look at the size on here, it is bigger than Dyson, which I will compare in a different video. But the fan on here is definitely a lot better than that one when you guys compare both of them. So if you guys want a more powerful fan, this one definitely is a lot more powerful when you guys compare this one to that one, which you guys will see in a different video when I do compare it. But so far so good. Everything about this unit is really awesome. You guys get a lot of cool features on here for the high power air purifying option, high quality tower fan option, smart control option, and so much more. And that's pretty much everything that's on here. So now that I show you guys how the app control works and voice control works on here, let's also try the remote control to show you when it actually works as well. So you just want to pull this tab right here in the bottom and let's move the top part here as well. And then once you guys do that, you should be able to start using it. So let's give it a try. So let's turn it on and off. Very easy and very simple, fast reaction as well. Increase the speed on here very easily. If you guys want to change the mode, very easy to do so as well. And the different level of the air purifier option, you guys can do that as well when you guys use it. Oscillating option 120, 0, 30, 60, and 90. If you guys want to turn on the timer option, very easy and very simple as well. Just like how I show you guys, if you guys press on top or use the app, you guys can do all of that on here. So a lot of different ways for you guys to control the unit, which is really cool. And that's pretty much how you guys use the remote control option if you guys do want to use that option as well. So now that we test out the product and show you guys how it works and what you guys do get for this product here, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality smart air purifier tower fan option that can help you guys suck out all the smoke and like dust and everything that's in the air to make sure your room is a lot more cleaner and also still give you guys a high quality powerful tower fan to keep you guys really cool during like the summertime, especially since summer is approaching. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save it on something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.